Are you in search of an affordable yet impeccably maintained residence situated in a prime location? If so, we invite you to consider our newest mobile home listing right here at 915th Street South, number 114 in Brookings, South Dakota. But before we look at the interior of this gorgeous home, let's explore the surroundings of this property outside. This home is nestled amidst a plethora of conveniences, including a family-friendly park just around the corner. Within a few blocks, you'll find a designated area where your furry companion can frolic at the dog park. For enthusiasts of cycling, numerous bike paths are readily accessible from the doorstep of this home. Maybe you're craving a quick bite or dinner option? A brief visit to the depot, located just down the road, will cater to your needs. And additionally, you'll find the schools of Dakota Prairie, Camelot Intermediate, and Nicholson Middle School in close proximity. Now, let's step inside this meticulously maintained 2000 model. It's a 16 by 80 or 1216 square foot mobile home. Upon entry, you'll immediately notice the care and attention it has received. The current owner has undertaken various upgrades. This includes fresh paint, a new roof, updated skirting, and a modern HVAC system. The home boasts an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area, complemented by 3 great-sized bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So don't miss out on the opportunity to view this well-cared-for mobile home and envision yourself establishing and relishing in the life of the charming Sunny Meadows Mobile Home Park here in Brookings, South Dakota. Contact one of our knowledgeable Brookings Home Team agents for more information. Feel free to visit brookingshometeam.com or follow us on any of our social media platforms. Thanks again, and hope to see you soon. Bye now.